I'm going to show you how to connect your WordPress website to your Google Analytics account. If you are watching this, traffic is definitely of interest to you, and why shouldn't it be? I battled to get traffic to my website until I read Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. I highly recommend you give it a read. I'm not a big fan of reading, but after reading his book, I had clear strategies on how to find my ideal customers. The book dives into a few aspects. He reveals all your social media secrets, and he also lets you know where you can find your dream customers and find where they are hiding. The best thing about the book, it's completely for free. The only charge that you pay is for shipping. So I highly recommend that you get yourself a copy of this book. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below to grab your. So the first thing you want to do is search for the search term Google Analytics, which will bring you to this screen if you don't already have an existing account. Make sure you've signed into your Google account on your Chrome browser. Select Start Measuring. This is going to take us to the dashboard that we're going to create our Google Analytics account. So you can just simply input your website's name right over here. You can leave these checked. I'm just going to uncheck all these because I believe Google already knows quite a bit about me. Scroll down, select the next button, select the web for the website, select next. I'm going to go ahead and input my website's name again. Then I can just copy paste the URL and slap it right into this search bar. And just delete the little prefix before that because that's already selected. Then go ahead and select the industry that it pertains to. This isn't vitally important, but just select something that does resonate with your website. I'm just going to go ahead and select other. Reporting time zone, this is very important, just so you can get accurate statistics for your region. I'm going to click South Africa. Go ahead and click, let me just remove this backslash here. Go ahead and click the create button. So this is going to create us the analytics account. Just go ahead and select the country again. Scroll down, make sure everything's been selected. Click I accept. And there we go. Successfully registered a Google Analytics account. Just go ahead and click save. Don't select any of the correspondent recommendations. Just say no thanks here. This is just to download the app on your phone. So the Google Analytics app is available on Android and iOS, so I highly recommend that you download that. So you're presented with a bit of JavaScript right over here and the tracking ID. So as much as this can look quite intimidating to you, I'm going to show you a real easy way on how to link it to your WordPress website. So what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is a cool tool provided by Google to basically show you all your analytics on your website or your application. This is the dashboard for Google Analytics. As you can see, there's a lot of useful data. You can see where in the world you have the most traffic from, what time of the day your users are the most active, are they coming from a mobile or a desktop device, and you can further drill down into real-time statistics to see what users are currently online. You can further drill down into acquisition, where you can see how you've acquired all this traffic. Have they come from Google Ads? Have they come from social media? So it's definitely a very useful tool and something that definitely should be integrated into any website. Alright, so we're on our WordPress dashboard. So now we're going to link our WordPress account to our Google Analytics account. And this is going to give us the ability to view our analytics from within the WordPress dashboard, which is fantastic. So if you are able successfully to link the WordPress and your analytics account, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so let's make our way to the plugin section and click on the add new button. So there's quite an array of plugins that we can choose from, and they all do a very similar and good job, but a plugin that I like to utilize is the MonsterInsights plugin. And the reason for that is if I do decide to change my theme, my WordPress theme going forward, it will always just sync to my to the next versions of my theme, so it will never be deleted and my analytics will never be affected. So it's the very first one. Go ahead and hit that activate button. This is going to activate the MonsterInsights plugin. There we go, it's activated, and the next thing you want to do is on your left hand panel, go ahead and hit the insights. This is going to take us to the wizard that we're going to launch and connect it to accounts. So it's quite a few simple steps to follow. So the next step, you want to hit launch setup wizard, which is going to take us to the wizard so we can quickly set it up, and we're just going to answer a few easy questions. Which category best describes your website? Doesn't really make a difference, business website will do. Save and continue and proceed. Alright, now it's going to ask us to connect MonsterInsights. Just click OK, and it's currently authenticating. Just give that a second to actually find our analytics account to link it. Then it's going to bring up your Google account where you want to link your WordPress dashboard to. I'm not going to choose my personal account. I'm going to choose my demo account that I've created for the purpose of this demo. So I'm going to go ahead and select this guy. It's always good to separate your analytics if you've got a business or you have personal use, so it's always a clear reflection of it. So we've got this modal. You want to allow Google to access all this information. This is basically just giving them permission to actually add the analytics in the dashboard within your WordPress site. And then by default, your site will be selected, and click complete connection. So we're back on our WordPress dashboard. This is what the reporting looks like in MonsterInsights. If you were able to successfully authenticate the two, you won't be getting any reporting like this. The reason being, it does take 24 hours for the data to pull through from Google Analytics. So after 24 hours, and if your website does have some traction, you'll see reporting very similar to this. So it's everything that you do need from an analytics point of view. It's exactly the same as Google Analytics, but in the convenience of your WordPress dashboard. And this is accessible by hitting the Insights button, as well as under the dashboard icon, you can hit the Insights button. So I have just switched websites for this purpose, just to show you what the analytics does look like. But as I did say, please give it 24 hours for the data to refresh. So if you were able to successfully link the two, please don't forget to hit that like button, give me a subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're always notified of similar videos. And if by some chance you don't yet have a WordPress website and you are looking for an easy, effective, and a cost-effective way to create one, I will leave a link to the video in the description, which will help you on your way.